Hi guys, welcome back. And today we are going to cover one more very important function of arrays, which is transpose. Yeah, we have seen this function when we tried copy pasting our data. So when I tried copy pasting, so suppose I copy this and I want this headings to be available in rows and this IDs to be available on columns. So what we did is I copy this entire data and I want to paste it here. So I'll say paste special and you have the option to say transpose rows and columns. So I'll say transpose and you find the headings which were in row has been listed in column and the IDs which were in rows have been listed in columns, rows, yeah, row. And accordingly, the data is also transposed. So say Jan, which was in a row format has been transformed to a column format. Yeah. The same thing can be done using a function. So you have the transpose function which transpose horizontal ranges of cell to vertical and vertical to horizontal. Yeah. So it is used to shift cell ranges horizontal and vertical orientation. So depending on the specific criteria, you can quickly transpose rows to columns or columns to rows using transpose function, which I showed you right now how it was done through copy paste as well. Yeah. So quickly, let's jump. It is pretty easy function and the syntax is also very pretty simple. It's transpose and you have to specify the cell reference or the array that you want to transpose. So suppose I want to transpose the IDs and the sales for March. So what I'll say is equal to transpose and then I select the IDs, how many IDs I want to transpose. Suppose I want to transpose this 5 IDs and the quarterly sales, and I'll say enter. You'll find the quarterly sales have been transformed into rows and the IDs into columns, and accordingly, the data as well has been transposed. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward that we can see here. We can do it for a single row. So I can have square to transpose and suppose I want just the category to be transposed. Sorry, this 5 categories that I want to transpose. Yeah, I'll say enter and you'll find the categories been transposed. Suppose I want this entire row to be transposed in a column. So I'll say horizontally to vertically. So I'll say equal to transpose and I'll select this entire row so that I can display it vertically. So here the ID has been displayed in a vertical form. Okay, pretty simple. It is pretty straightforward to understand. It is just to transpose or paste or copy a data from horizontal format to vertical format and vice versa. Hope I was able to make the concept clear on this particular formula or function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you are going to get all the notification on future videos that I upload on YouTube. And that will also, your subscriptions will also keep me motivated towards creating such free content. Thank you so much.